Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm explaining how to merge content of two cells in Excel. So you can see here I have two columns with some of them with the names and some of them with the letters. I want to merge the content of both these cells and fill it on C. So we can do it in different way. I will explain two methods how you can do this one. There is an inbuilt method how you can do this one. It's called concatenate function. Click on this concatenate, and after that double click on this one, and here you can choose the first cell, comma, the second cell, and close the bracket. So this one, it will give us the merged content or the combined form of both the cells, and when you drag it down you will be able to fill the rest of the rows easily. And there is another method, another simple method, which you can do this one, equal to simple, and then click on this one, the A1 cell, and click on the next cell and click next. This one also will give the same result. So this is the two simple methods how you can merge the content of two cells. Hope you understood the video and like the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.